Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ade Doing Kitchen and More. Today I will be showing you how I make African Nigeria Akara. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel. It will be very helpful to this channel. Follow me to my kitchen and I will show you how I make my Akara. I'll be using this black ice beans for my Akara. Then I will allow it to soak like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes now. So I'll be peeling the beans now. Because if I should leave it more than 5 minutes, it will be peeling. It will not be okay. I will not be able to remove all the black ice shell. This is how it looks like when I'm done washing. Look, there's not any sign of shell or peel or what do I call it in it. Look at it. So I will leave it like this for 5 minutes for the softening because it's too hard. You see, it's too hard. I have to let it be soft. When it's soft, and then I'll blend it. So this is past 5 minutes now. You see, that's soft, very soft. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. So I'll put a bit of salt, and then 1 onion, 1 paprika, that is tatashe, and then a little bit of half of the pepper, the hot pepper, and then half of the Maggi I'll be using with it. So I'll blend all together. I have to cut the tatashe into smaller pieces to help my blender. I'll be blending it now with this blender all together. I'll be putting a bit by bit water in it because I don't want it to be watery. Looks like after blending. So I blend it and then I'll leave it for over 1 hour before I'll start frying it. You can see it. This is how it looks like after blending it. So I will leave it for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, I will put all the seasoning inside and then I'll start frying. So this is after 1 hour. I'll be stirring it. And then I'll put the seasoning and the salt, everything inside. This is the oil I'll be using. I've already put the oil on the fire. So I will drop this onion inside. I've dropped the akara inside the oil. Look how it's floating. You see it? This is how it looks like. It's yummy, oh. So yummy. Look how it's brownish, golden color. It's bouncing, eh? Look how I'm pressing it, it's bouncing back. Can you see it? Wow. It's floating. Look. Look at it. So nice. See the finishing. Look how it looks like. Wow. Can you see it? Oh my God. Look at it. Can you see the akara? Wow. What do you like to eat with this akara? I love using pap. That is a akamu. Look at it. My goodness. Look at the akamu I will use for it. Come and join me, oh. Look at the akamu. I don't know what kind of thing you can eat it with. Maybe like bread or something. Please just comment in the comment section what you like to eat this kind of akara with. Put it in the comment section. Look at it's looking like golden color, my goodness. And look at the pap. If you want to know how I get this pap, comment in the comment section. I'll give you the link. Okay? If you are not subscribed to this channel, Adedoyin Kitchen and More, do so. Thumbs up, click the notification bell, like, and comment. Thank you, everyone. So, I'll be editing this video here. Till next time that we'll meet again, I'll be showing you many things. How to cook many things that you people have forgotten for a long time. Did you find this video helpful? Please leave it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.